Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm gonna show you all how I straighten my hair. This very basic, very simple. Most of you guys must be already knowing this, but then still I thought of showing you guys how I straighten my long hair. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, my hair is pretty frizzy. So when I straighten my hair, I can definitely see a good difference. Like it does seem to be more smooth and nice, and the sleek and nice straight hair is always in trend, always in fashion. First of all, I apply streaks hair serum and make sure that there is no tangles at all. Since I've got frizzy hair, I always make it a point that I use hair serum, because if not, there is chances that my hair is gonna break more. So I always apply hair serum to my hair and then comb it really well so that there is no tangles at all. So once it is done, I can definitely see a good difference. Once this streaks hair serum is something which I really love. Earlier I used to use live-on hair serum, but now I, for past almost few months, I should say couple of months, I have been using this streaks hair serum, and I'm really loving it. So once it is done, I have sprayed this Tony and Guy heat protection hair mist. So again, if you do not have hair protecting mist, you can definitely use aloe vera gel, but definitely hair protecting spray is the best. But then if you do not have that, please at least try to apply aloe vera gel so that there is some sort of protection, else it's gonna damage our hair a lot. After that, I'll be parting my hair into two and clipping it, and then I'll be using this Philips hair straightener. I've been using this for past 3 years and I'm quite happy with it. So it is affordable as well. It has got this on and off button, and as well as a rotating cable, which makes it a little more easier to work with. And then I have this small section. From that, I'll be taking again a smaller section. It's always better to work with small section, and also just place hair straightener and just pull it. Do not keep hair straightener just like that for more than 3 or 4 seconds, because then in that way it is going to have a bend. So please pull it, I mean as fast, not as fast you can, but then do not keep it for a while. That's what I wanted to say. And also make if you want, you can use a comb for better grip, especially if you have long hair. In that way it won't have tangles, and also it I feel it gives better result. But then it is little difficult to handle if you do not have practice. But if you have practice, it is always better to use comb as well. So I try to take small section, and I try to use straightener just once, so that it doesn't damage more. I mean, if we are using straightener twice and thrice over the same hair, there's chance that obviously we are using more heat. In that way, there is chance that it will damage our hair. So to avoid that, I will be using, I always use hair straightener on small section of hair only once or maximum twice, not more than that. So in that way you guys can see the difference. In this way, obviously I get a nice sleek, nice straightened hair. I do not like poke, I mean like this very poking straight hair. That's not something I like, so I like to keep it in this way. So I just continue the same till I complete all, I mean all of my hair. As you guys can see, once I complete one section, I just put it back to my shoulders so that it is separated. My straightened hair and not straightened hair is separated. And again, once my straightening is done for a section, I will be clipping off my hair from upper part, and then again I will be straightening that part as well. So that's the thing I do. So I'll be continuing the same. Once I have straightened all of my hair, I again use a little bit of hair serum because it gives nice shine to hair, which something I really like because, as I said, I have got very frizzy hair. So just I make it a point that after straightening I apply a little bit of hair serum. After that I also use a hair setting spray, and this is the brand I use, Jetsby, that I hope that's pronounced in this way. So I use this hair setting spray. Again, it's always better to use hair setting spray because it does last for a longer time. So this is how my hair looks at the end. This is the final result. So this is how I do my hair straightening, and I do it occasionally, maybe once or twice in a year when I have like something very big function. Apart from that, I do not use any heat on my hair, no blow dryer, no hair straightener, nothing, because no matter how much protection you give, no matter how much care you take, heat is gonna damage our hair eventually, at least. So it's always better not to use it, but then occasionally we can use it, definitely. But then please make it a point that you use a hair protecting mist or something like that. So that's it, guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you, or if so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all.